Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix mixed call notification not showing on your iPhone iOS 17. For example, if you have downloaded the latest version of iOS 17 and after that you see that you are not getting the missed call notification. So how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So the first thing you have to do is you have to simply force start or reboot your iPhone. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply press and hold the power button and volume up button, and after that you have to simply restart your iPhone. And after restarting your iPhone, you have to simply turn it on again. And the next thing you have to do is you have to check whether your iPhone has enabled the notification for the phone. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply go to notification and you have to check whether iPhone has allowed the notification for your phone app. And in this way you can simply check whether this toggle is turned on or not. And you can also go for the banner style and you can do all the necessary settings. So here you can check all the settings for the notification of your phone app. And the next thing you have to check whether do not have any kind of schedule summary turned on, which means you do not have set schedule summary, which means you can simply set a notification summary to be turned off in default time. So sometimes notifications are not received when you turn on the schedule summary. So in this way you can simply check for that. Moreover, you can also check whether your airplane mode is turned on or off, and you have to make sure of that it is turned off. And after checking all these settings, you can also go for the setting and general, and you can make sure that your software is up to date. And if you have any latest iOS 17 update, then you can simply download and install it, because many software are fixed by the latest iOS version of the iPhone. So hope you have liked this video. If you can get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.